most valuable items, including any small children you wish to keep with you. This is the world's steepest railway. Choo choo, see you at the bottom. Down into the Jamison Valley. When the train comes to a stop, the doors will open from your left-hand side. Head up the stairs and over the bridge, and you can start one of our 3 rainforest boardwalks, 10, 30 or 50 minutes long, to the blue cableway ride. If you have any rubbish with you, we have plenty of bins along these walks, so make sure to use them. And if you would like to return with me back to Scenic Road on the railway, you will also have to exit, making your way onto the platform on the right. So doors opening from your left-hand side, relining up on the right-hand side if you'd like to come back up, otherwise walking to the cableway. Have a great rest of your day. Doors opening.
Yeah, it is. So the next ride will be
closing from the right-hand side.
brown out there. Welcome back to Scenic Road. When the train comes to a stop, the door will open on your left-hand side. Head up the stairs and you'll be back in level 1 retail floor and all 3 entrances to the rides. Level 2 for the cafe and terrace bar, and up on level 3 for the restaurant. Have a great rest of